Hey Crea'Madonas, welcome back to the channel. I'm Valitra and I'm the Crafty Black Girl. So you guys, today we are making this DIY Batman pillow, you guys. So I'm using this travel pillow cover, Mainstays from Walmart. $2.97 was the price for that, and this is what it looks like. This pillow cover is 15 by 20 inches, and I'm using these printable cotton iron-on sheets, so you can print on these and then you can iron them on the clothing. So then I went to Google, of course, and I went ahead and typed up Batman, and I looked up to see if I could find an image that I liked for this pillow. Now that I found an image that I like, this is the image that I'm going to be using here. And so I went ahead and sent that to my printer and just printed it out right on the fabric, the cotton fabric there. You can pick that up from Walmart. I think it was like $11 and you get about 3 sheets. So this is what it looks like, and this is the little sheet that it is. And so now I'm going to turn it the opposite way. Like I was telling you guys, I'm not going to do it the other way because I would want the image to be wider. So this is what it's going to look like. And now I'm just measuring to make sure that I have it as centered as possible, and I'm using my yardstick for that. If you have like measuring tape, then you can definitely use that, but I'm just making sure that everything is as even as possible so that when I go ahead and stuff the pillow, the image is not on one side and lopsided and things like that. I want it to look professional as possible. And then I'm going to take this parchment paper. I get that from Dollar Tree. They have the little boxes of it, and that's what I use to go ahead and do shirts or whatever it is that I'm doing when it comes to transferring things to clothing or things like that. So now I'm using my iron, and the instructions on this one says 20 seconds, but because I don't have a heat press yet, I'm going to use my iron and I'm going to do 20-second increments, and I'm going to make sure that I go back over the sides. So this is what it looks like. Looks something like a t-shirt would. And now I just took this regular pillow from Walmart, probably spent about $3 on this pillow, and I'm just going to take the stuffing out of here, you guys, because I did notice that the little DIY pillows that they had for decorative pillows were far more expensive than doing it this way. Those pillows were about $10, $11, and then you still have to cover them with something. So this pillow cover worked out so perfectly. And then I'm just going to take the regular stuffing out of here and stuff it right into the pillow cover. And this is now our Batman pillow, you guys. So I'm going to make sure that I fill out all of the sides and make this pillow super full. You don't want it to be loose. You don't want it to be kind of empty. You don't want it to have a lot of space. And I zip that thing right up, you guys, and this is what it looks like. So this is part one. This is one piece to the puzzle for our gift basket. To seal this image, I actually went over it with this Rust-Oleum crystal clear spray paint. You guys, I don't know if I would advise you guys to do it, but just to seal the image, I did that, and this is what it looks like, you guys. So yep, all right, you guys, that is the final look. So if you guys liked it, leave it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Till next time, stay crafty.